actually make this noise up. I can't actually produce it. It's so fantastic. Another noise that he loves to make is whenever he's just talking to his brother and his girlfriend, he actually goes, it's really weird. He just randomly looks at them and I don't think he cares about the mirrors as of yet. Maybe in a year we'll be able to show you exactly what we'll do with this season of the mirror, but at this point he doesn't really have that sort of response. Now, I want to make sure that I get the coolest, cutest, ones that have been nice and quiet. I need a couple of brave volunteers who have not been up. If you could please put your hand back down. You have answered so many questions. You've been sitting nice and silently right beside you as well. Right over here. And I'm going to get this little young lady right here. Can you make your way to these stairs? Possibly being distracted. So please, someone who wants to do your cleaning and get there too. Come on, up, Dylan. Now, mirrors have a really cool hand. You might see them do this in one of the please hold the shoulders down at the center.
Ele chegou? Ele chegou?
Maybe what we'll do for her is we'll anything and you can give me a scratch, okay? There you go. Do you want to give me a scratch right here?
Ele chegou, closer. Ele chegou, closer. Go, go, ele chegou.
Now, one of the cool things is he may do, like I said, well, he may jump on person, but sometimes he actually takes their hand and super lazy. He'll pull it in and he'll make their hand get closer. So these guys like to do, at least in our work, for the most in our food. They have the same sort of hand that we do. They actually have that opposable thumb. So they can actually pull on these guys and repeat. Good job! We can only take the volunteers that we got, so unfortunately